Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide games from profile on PS4 account. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the settings, go to account management, then privacy settings. You'll need to wait a little bit right here, about 10 seconds or even less. So as you can see, it will take a little bit. And right here you'll see gaming, friends, and personal info. So for the gaming, let's go to the gaming, and right here you'll see activities, gaming history, and etc. So right here, if you click on hidden games, you can click on the hidden games, but for the activities, let's choose and just choose no one. And right here you'll see that you can turn off the activities so your friends won't see that. And for the hidden games, we'll go right here and click on hidden games for PS4, and right here we will be able to actually select all the games, then click continue, so confirm, and right here you'll be basically hide your games. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.